Hello! It's good to have you back for our instructional documentation for our CPaaS platform. In this video, we will guide you through the process of uploading contacts to our platform. Let's start with a brief overview. You can create contact lists to optimize campaign setup and better categorize your customer data. Being thorough with your contact lists will allow you to be more effective with your outreach efforts. Here are some things you must keep in mind before we walk you through this process. Download and read the best practices for contact information upload. Download the contact list template. Fill out the contact list spreadsheet and have it handy. Now let's dig in. Make your way to the main menu and select the Context section. Proceed to click over the Create module. Navigate to the Create Group box and begin by entering the name you'd like to give to your contact group. Choose the account or accounts that you wish to associate with the contact group. To download the contact spreadsheet, simply click on the Download.csv template heading to automatically download it to your computer. Before proceeding, please ensure you've filled out the spreadsheet. It's crucial to correctly categorize each column and populate all of them with information. If any column is left empty, the platform will not allow you to upload your file. To upload the file, you can either click on the purple icon within the Upload Your File box or simply drag and drop the file directly into the same space. Click Next. Go to the Phone section. Select the slot and ensure you choose the category that corresponds to your contact's mobile numbers. Navigate to the wildcards section. These selections will be the predefined options available when creating future campaigns, so be sure to pick all the categories that could be useful in upcoming efforts. After completing this step, you can verify that the information has been correctly labeled by reviewing the example of the information layout in the Contact Preview category. Click Next. For an additional confirmation of accuracy, you can review the top 10 contacts from your spreadsheet and how they've been labeled. Furthermore, on the right-hand side, the box will provide details about the contact group list you're creating. If you need to make corrections, you can navigate back by clicking the previous button. If everything is in order, click Done to proceed. When the pop-up window appears, simply click the Generate button to complete this process. A pop-up window in the bottom left-hand corner will confirm your successful upload of the contact group onto the platform. And that is it for now. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for choosing our CPaaS platform, and we hope you have an amazing day.